So this is one of the many character cavalcades that comes through the park. They start back here in like Frontierland and they go all the way down and around Main Street. So these are awesome because you'll just hear music playing and all of a sudden characters will show up. This one is just Tinkerbell on the float, but there's a few others. There's one with Goofy, Max, Clarabelle, and some of the dancers from the Move It, Shake It. They also come out again with one with Mickey and Minnie and Donald. There's a princess one. So there's a bunch of these throughout the day. So you're still seeing characters. There's no traditional meet and greets, but I like this way better. It's like a fun surprise and they pop out and you can see them. So that's it for now. But if another one pops up, I'll hop on again.